Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. Today I'm here to present to you a new weekly video featuring whiteboard animation for you to improve your Korean. It's coming up. Have you seen somebody who's really talented in musical instrument before? You're going to see two people having a dialogue and one person is asking a friend since when she or he's been playing piano. Let's get started. 피아노 언제부터 배웠어요? 일곱 살 때부터요. 무슨 장르의 노래를 연주하세요? 클래식이랑 재즈요. Let's find out the direct meanings. Piano is a phonetic representation from English word piano. 언제, when. 부터 is from. It could be interpreted as since. 배웠어요 is from 배우다 as dictionary form, to learn. So this phrase translates to since when have you been learning the piano? Or you could say since when have you learned the piano? In Korean, just note that we just use simple past tense when in English when you say have past participle or have been verb ing. 일곱, this is 7 in the Korean number system. I use Korean number system because of what's following next. 살 is age as counting unit. When you use number with counting unit, you often use Korean number system. 7살, this is 7 years old. 때 is when. It's a little different from 언제. 언제 is when you're asking when. 때 is when as answering when. I hope this is clear enough for you. You never answer with 언제. 부터, from, and since. 요 is just polite ending after a syllable with a vowel. This phrase translates to since when I was 7 years old. You could also say since 7 years old. Here is the KSTYLEYO official website where there are many free courses. Subscribe to the newsletter so that you get a summarized grammar of each weekly video. Enjoy! 무슨, which. 장르 is phonetic representation of genre. 의 is possessive, which means which genres music. Possessive for the noun that comes after, which is 노래, music. So when you say possessive 의, you don't say as 의, you say as 에. 무슨 장르의 노래를. 를 is object particle. 연주하세요 is from 연주하다 as dictionary form, to perform. You could also think of it as to play. 세요 is just polite ending. So this phrase translates to which genre's music do you play? In this case, you as subject is omitted. Classic is phonetic representation of classic, which is classic music. 이랑, it's interpreted as and. 재즈, jazz. 요, this is polite ending after a noun that ends with a vowel. This phrase translates to classic and jazz. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 피아노 언제부터 배웠어요? 7살 때부터요. 무슨 장르의 노래를 연주하세요? 클래식이랑 재즈요. If you like the content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. And make sure to follow my Instagram KSTYLEyo as well, since I make posts every single day. If you have any questions or thoughts, please comment down below, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!